can do that.
Remember when you went down to the ground and you popped your head back up? He liked that.
Karsten.
Come in front of me, honey. Just right there. So I can get more of his space. Okay, do it again. You went down to the floor. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it. I'm sorry. You gotta let go. You gotta let go. You, oh.